Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. Which organization has launched the initiative to establish India's first B corridors along national highways? Right answer is option D, National Highways Authority of India. Which Indian has been nominated by the UN Secretary General to chair the Advisory Board on Disarmament Matters for 2026-27? Right answer is option C, TB Venkatesh Verma. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology launched the Param Shakti supercomputing facility at which institute? Right answer is option C, IIT Madras. Which spacecraft is expected to become the first human made object to reach a distance of one light day from Earth in November 2026? Right answer is option D, NASA's Voyager 1. Who has been awarded the UN Secretary General's Award 2025 for the contributions to gender inclusive peacekeeping in Africa? Correct answer is option C, Major Swati Shantakumar. Shaya Mohsin Zindani was recently appointed Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is option B, Yemen. Which village became the first recertified organic panchayat in northwest India in January 2026? Right answer is option B, Bamanwas Kankar, Rajasthan. Which mobile application is being used to strengthen and digitize the tiger census process in the Annamalai Tiger Reserve? Right answer is option C, M Stripes app. The Makara Vilakku festival was celebrated in which Indian state in January 2026? Correct answer is option B, Kerala. Which state's police force secured the top position in the Interoperable Criminal Justice System 2.0 ranking? Right answer is option C, Uttarakhand. Ratapani Tiger Reserve, renamed as Dr. Vishnu Sridhar Vakankar Tiger Reserve, is located in which state? Right answer is option C, Madhya Pradesh. Who became the first Indian badminton player to achieve the milestone of 500 singles match wins? Right answer is option D, PV Sindhu. Anantapur pomegranate received the geographical indication tag from which Indian state? Right answer is option A, Andhra Pradesh. Which country introduced the world's first comprehensive artificial intelligence legislation known as the AI Basic Act? Right answer is option C, South Korea. The Pax Silica organization, which the United States invited India to join, is primarily related to which sector? Correct answer is option C, semiconductor supply chain. Who is the author of the book titled History That India Ignored? Right answer is option C, Prem Prakash. Which spacecraft capsule will carry NASA astronauts on the Artemis 2 mission to the moon? Right answer is option C, Orion. Sidramaya became Karnataka's longest serving chief minister by surpassing the tenure of which former chief minister? Right answer is option C, Devraj Ars. Who has become the president of the relaunched National Olympic Academy under the Indian Olympic Association? Right answer is option D, PT Usha. In January 2026, which state declared human rabies a notifiable disease under the Epidemic Diseases Act 1897? Correct answer is option D, Delhi. Which state's Nagauri Ashwagandha received a geographical indication tag in January 2026? Right answer is option B, Rajasthan. According to a recent report by Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying, what is India's rank in global fish production? Right answer is option C, second rank. Which city hosted the 86th All India Presiding Officers Conference? Right answer is option A, Lucknow. The Fink River, recognized as the world's oldest surviving river system, is located in which country? Right answer is option B, Australia. In January 2026, where was the foundation stone laid for India's first integrated private satellite manufacturing plant? Right answer is option A, Sanand, Gujarat. Who became the 92nd Grand Master of India? Right answer is option C, Aryan Varshney. Monpui Sayavi was appointed as India's High Commissioner to which country? Right answer is option C, New Zealand. Who has been appointed as the CEO of Niti Aayog? Right answer is option C, Nidhi Chibbar. Which state partnered with the United Arab Emirates to develop India's first net zero greenfield smart city project? Right answer is option C, Telangana. Which state government launched the Homestay Scheme 2026 to boost tourism? Correct answer is option A, Rajasthan. Gulf Food 2026, in which India participated as the partner country, was held in which city? Correct answer is option C, Dubai. Who became the first woman officer of the Indian Army to qualify to fly the Rudra armed helicopter? Right answer is option C, Captain Hansja Sharma. Who received the prestigious J.C. Daniel Award 2024, the highest honor in Malayalam cinema? Right answer is option D, Sarada. In which city was India's first Bharat Ratna Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Advocate Training and Research Center inaugurated? Correct answer is option B, Mumbai. On January 28, 2026, Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar died in a plane crash involving which specific aircraft? Correct answer is option D, Bombardier Learjet 45. In Union Budget 2026-27, what does the orange economy refer to? Right answer is option D, creative industries and cultural heritage. Which women's Premier League player became the first to score a century in the tournament's history? Right answer is option D, Nat Seaver Brunt. Who launched the AI based farmer platform Bharat Vistar in Jaipur to support farmers with technology? Correct answer is option B, Shivraj Singh Chauhan. On the eve of Republic Day 2026, President Draupadi Murmu approved gallantry awards for a total of how many armed forces personnel? Correct answer is option C, 70. Who received the Subhash Chandra Bose Abda Prabandhan Puraskar 2026 in the individual category? Right answer is option B, Lieutenant Colonel Sita Ashok Shelke. Who was elected as the new president of the Olympic Council of Asia? Right answer is option B, Sheikh Joan bin Hamad Al Thani. Sunita Williams retired in January 2026 after 27 years of service. How many total days did she spend in space? Correct answer is option B, 608 days. Indian Newspaper Day is observed every year on which date? Correct answer is option B, 29th January. India's first legged mobile manipulator, SCOP, was developed by which institution? Right answer is option C, IIT Kanpur. Which country announced a peace prize for US President Donald Trump in the year 2026? Correct answer is option D, Israel. The second Global Buddhist Summit of 2026, held in January, was organized in which city of India? Right answer is option A, New Delhi. Who received the world's largest AI film award in January 2026? Correct answer is option B, Zober Jalasi. Which state government launched the Ame Padhiba Amma Basare initiative to promote women's participation in public life and strengthen early childhood education? Correct answer is option B, Odisha. Which state government has launched the Norca Care Health and Accident Insurance Scheme? Right answer is option B, Kerala. In January 2026, where did Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh launch India's first open sea mariculture project? Right answer is option D, Andaman Sea. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.